Hi there, in this video, I will be guiding you on how to link crazy domains to Webflow. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. Before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature. So first, of course, you will log into your crazy domains account and you will go ahead and search for DNS records or DNS settings. So it should be right here if you already have your account all set up and if you do have the full version of the app and that you already have your domain. So once you see that option, which is DNS settings, you will just go ahead and click that, and then what you will do is basically just select domain, and then you will add custom records, and then in your Webflow account, what you will have to do is basically just go to your project settings, and then after that, you will go to hosting and then copy A and C name records. And then back in Crazy Domains, you will add the records and the and C name. And then you will just basically click save. And in Webflow, again, you will click check status, and then the domain will be verified and it will be live on Webflow. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.